Today we're going to install the windshield on the golf cart. Compared to yesterday's shock project, this is going to be so much easier. It seems we have all the pieces. We have the main windshield right here. We have all the right pieces. Everything was included. It looks easy enough to put on. It looks like we just bolt the big bricks, which are these things, to the top piece that folds. Then you have all these tiny little sleeve pieces that just clip on, and it should be good to go. There's no actual bolts or screwing or any of that. I measured to find the center on this bottom piece to be able to put this one center. I don't think there's going to be any issues with it. I'm also an idiot because I put it together the wrong way. These little blocks are supposed to catch this little lip when you fold it down on the front. So I got to flip all these to the other side. Dumb. Now that we have it all put together, we have all the pieces right here. Here's where the little lip clips into. We got these pieces screwed on. The only actual screws that have to happen are here. The design is okay. It does have a nice little flip latch right here. Looks like it's gonna work pretty good. Pretty compact little windshield. Let's put it on. Okay. Figures tripod falls down. I feel like something's wrong because this side fits perfectly good. No issues at all. But this side's like stretched. I mean, it is just a little short here. I feel like maybe these bolts are in the wrong spot right there, because it's all the way notched in over here. We probably grab a mallet and just push it this way some. But my goodness, it's only like quarter inch. I don't think that should make that big of a difference. I think it'll be fine. We're gonna fix this up, but other than that, let's see how it looks down. Boom. We don't undo that one, undo this one. And latch it there. I think that's all good to go. Looks pretty good. It's gonna keep the wind out of our face. This is mostly for wind. I don't really care much about the rain. I'm not gonna be driving this thing in the rain that much. That's what it looks like from inside where I will be sitting. And we'll see you guys in the next video, which could be brakes, but we don't know yet.